Hey guys, it's Ankush Anand and I am a WordPress developer. I have been a part of official WordPress community for 3 years. I have been contributing 4 hours a week to the training team of WordPress, where I share like some tutorials. Maybe I share some codes to help WordPress newbies to know about WordPress. So I also have developed a WordPress plugin and still some more WordPress plugins on my timeline to work on. And my plugin is also published in WordPress repository. And also I have created child themes using WordPress. So basically, you can assume me as a WordPress expert, where I know about how to code, how to use WordPress like very in depth. I have very in depth knowledge of WordPress, and I believe I can do anything with WordPress that is possible using WordPress. So uh, now basically today we are not talking about that stuff. We are talking about this plugin called Jetpack. So uh, let me let me just give you a brief overview of what it is. Okay, so guys, Jetpack is actually a plugin, and you can install it in your WordPress website, and you can use it to do a lot of things. So before that, I want to explain about the plugin. So basically, what this Jetpack plugin is developed by Automatic. So this is a company, Automatic, and are you able to see my screen? Sorry, I feel my screen is not shared. So everyone, can you see my screen? Okay. So here WordPress is a Jetpack is a plugin that is actually very underestimated. Like people have installed it, but most of the people have not never used it properly. So about this plugin, I want to say that this is the most powerful plugin in WordPress actually. Okay. So this is a plugin that is developed by ये कौन कर रहा है? Okay. So now just let me disable annotation. Some of my friends are doing this. Okay. So here, this is a plugin that is developed by Automatic company, and just let me tell you about Automatic company. So this is the company which company which have the founder of the WordPress CMS. So there was two persons who created WordPress initially, and one of those person is the founder of this Automatic company. So isn't that cool? A plugin developed by the official WordPress developers, official two WordPress developers who actually created WordPress. So this is the company started by him. Okay. So second thing is that this is the founder of WordPress.com. So how many of you know about WordPress.com? Just let me know in the chat box. How many of you already know about WordPress.com? And do you really know that what's WordPress.com and what's WordPress.org? Because right now I am explaining you that this is the creator of WordPress CMS, and second I am telling you this is founder of WordPress.com. So basically it brings us to the question, what are these two things? So basically we have WordPress.org and WordPress.com. Okay. And about WordPress.org, WordPress.org is a open source software. So here you can go and download WordPress. You can install it in your hosting, in your laptop. You can do whatever you want with that software. Okay, this is a code done by some developers, and a lot of developers are maintaining it for free. So this is a free as well as open source software which you can use, which you can edit and do whatever you want to do with it. Okay. So this is what WordPress.org is. Okay. Then second is .com. So WordPress.com is a hosted platform, which means this is a platform where you can go and create a account and start your blog. So it's just like a Facebook, just like blogger.com, where you can create your account, you can start posting things. So it provides you blogging options without any like technical knowledge. So even if you have no technical knowledge, you can go and use this software. Okay, this platform. So this is not a software, this is actually a platform. So this have a lot more features, a lot more security, and as well as everything is safe here, everything is very easy here, because they are making it for beginners, they are customizing it for beginners. So just let me tell you the insider story here. So there were two people who created WordPress. Okay, and one of them did, he just started another platform called WordPress.com. So two persons created that software, that coding, which they provided to everyone. And then the second person, the co-founder, he created another platform called WordPress.com for the persons who want to do blogging, but they are not very techy, they are not good in technical terms. So they created this second person created WordPress.com. So here it's basically focusing on providing you easy options to start a blog or website. Okay, and then second one is WordPress.org, where you can download the software, you can use it to do whatever you want, you can customize it to any possibilities. Okay, so basically this is all about the company who created the automatic and WordPress and WordPress.org. Okay, so how many of you are able to know what I just told? How many of you already started to understand it, or do you have any doubts? Please let me know. Okay, okay, so I feel that you are able to understand what I just shared. Okay, so now this is a plugin created by the creators of WordPress. So what it means, that the this person who have created WordPress.com have created this plugin. And now let me just go to the plugin and share about it. Okay, so just keep this mind that this is created by these people. So here is the company website, not so much here, but here is the plugin itself, Jetpack by WordPress.com. So here its name is also Jetpack by WordPress.com, and you can see 5+ millions installations. Okay, that is like quite more. Okay, so here in the description it's saying security, performance, site management. The best way to WordPress is with Jetpack. So whatever is this in description, it really means, it really is what it is. But still, a lot of people are not aware about how to use it, or they are not using it. Okay, so basically, if you go ahead and read this, there are a lot of things here. But I am a practical person. I will just I directly do practical things, and I will just show you practically what it do. So basically, I have a WordPress installation, and right now I just want to clean it up to just show you what Jetpack option only. Okay, so just give me a minute so that I can clean up the WordPress. This is my demo installation where I demonstrate about WordPress. So here, this is a plugin that helps you to delete everything. It will reset WordPress completely, and it will give you a complete new installation. So that's what's this benefit of this another plugin, word WP reset. So this is not what I'm talking about right now. So okay, so this is a basic WordPress installation that comes up when you install it. Okay, Am I audible, guys? Just let me know in the chat box. There are some dogs outside. Sorry for that. So now this is a WordPress installation. So what I will do, I'll just delete all the plugins right now, and I will install Jetpack plugin. Okay. So here you can go and search for Jetpack. Even in featured plugins, you will find Jetpack right here. Okay. So just install this one. It's WP reset. Okay. So it's installed. Now I will activate it. Now, as you install it, you will see this setup option. Okay. And this is what most of people are not doing. They just skip it. They just keep this notification like this forever. And I have seen almost in everyone's website, it's the same. No one set it up. No one go ahead and activate it. No one go ahead and get the benefit of the features that it can provide you. Okay. So here, let me just show you about this plugin before actually setting it up. Okay. So here I will just go to another WordPress installation of mine. I'm still working on the new website. So this is my actual website which I'm working on as well. I have recently deleted it and created maintenance stuff for it. So just wait for it to load. Yeah. So here it is. So here you can see this is a website that I am using, and here you can see Jetpack option, right? If you activate this option, see what it provides you. So I will just go to dashboard, and here without installing any without installing anything, not not analytics, not the console, anything else. It will provide you the analytics. So you can see it is providing you the detailed analytics of how many views you are getting, how many, like a proper detailed analytics. And then also it's helping you to block the spam. It's helping you to do updates for updates. Even before WordPress had the automatic update option, it have been providing that automatic update option since the years. Okay. I have been using WordPress for more than 4 years, and they have this option to automatically update stuff for you. So they have been doing it for so many years, and now even WordPress have automatic option. So here there is this downtime monitor. Whenever your website goes down, you will automatically receive a email notification that your site is down. So isn't that awesome? If your site is not working, if your site is down, you will receive an email from Jetpack that your site is not working. So this is like another feature of it. Then image accelerator. It will actually optimize your images. No need of WP must, no need of any other plugin. It will just optimize all the images for you. Okay. And it will load them from its own server. Like your images will not be loaded from your hosting, which may be slow. They will be loading it from their own server, so that it's more fast and more safe. Okay. So here this is the power, guys. Here you see a few options. Now I will just go to the settings, and I will like go more deep in it. Here you can see downtime monitoring, the one I talked about. You can turn it on. You can configure your notification settings. I will let you know later. Then anti-spam, you can actually install what Binod ji is talking about, Akismet plugin. So this plugin you can install, and it will also need this plugin. Okay, so this is also another plugin that comes up with this one. So just you can install this one as well, and it will also work together. So it's also from the automatic company, and this is also a must have plugin in your website. So basically it will also help you to like reduce spam. Then automatic update plugins, you can automatically update plugins using it. You can like secure your website from hackers. Nobody will be actually some people try to log in again and again, try to guess the password, and there are attacks like dictionary attack where commonly used passwords are stored, and people just hackers just try to test which one of them are you using. So it will provide you protection from that. Also it will also add another option to login. Okay, so I will explain practically what the options are in detail. So just wait for a few minutes. If this has so many features, why it is underestimated? Because this is underestimated, I don't know why. Lot of times the more options you give, the more scared people are to use it. So people are just scared about it. I feel that's the issue. They get so many options, they get so many connections to do and a lot of things to do, and they get overwhelmed with just leave it. So here you can see in performance it have this option to to optimize your css. Yeah, I am recording it. I feel I'm recording it. Yeah, so here this is the option to to optimize your images, to load the images properly. And then also lazy loading is something that it's like whenever you go to a page, when you the images will not load it until you scroll. So if there is an image here and I am up here, the image will load as soon as I view the image. So it will only load when it's on screen. So that's called lazy loading. So it provides you that option as well. There are paid features as well, which I'm not talking about right now. Even in free plan there are a lot of options. Then in writing, here you can see the display. It will create an option to display images in full screen gallery carousel. So it's providing you the slideshow option. Okay, you can try it out. Then there are enable this option to copy entire posts including tags and settings. So if you turn it on, you will get an option to directly copy paste the post. So like right now if I go to post, here you will see this option copy. See, copy. So it will just copy the whole post and create a new post out of it. So a lot of times what we have to do, we create a design, we create a page or something like that, and we want to replicate the same design. We just need to change the content. So this is a very handy feature. In that case, you can just click on this button, and then you will get complete copy of the same page, and then you just have to change the content. So isn't that awesome? Here there is another option and a lot of options that may not be very useful in beginning, but after that they will be useful. Okay, so right now this is not necessary, so I am not explaining it. And then there is this option for the testimonials and portfolios. So basically they are providing you additional option, additional post types. Technically it's called post type. So whenever you turn it on, you will get an option for testimonials right here. And now you can see here is testimonial. You can go ahead and like you create posts, you can create testimonials here, and you can show them wherever you want. So this is another option they are providing. Then about the portfolios, like that same way. So if you want to create a portfolio website, they are providing you that option inside the plugin itself. Okay, then theme enhancements. So this has some issues with some of the themes. It's for all kind of websites, and just wait for a few minutes. For e-commerce websites there is a lot more. Okay, so now just let me go back where I was. Yeah, so here it was infinite scroll. So this is another feature. Whenever you go to some websites, like my favorite website uh, while working on a tutorial is this bboom.com. So here, if I go to this website, if I scroll down, you can see another article is loading directly. So this is called infinite scroll. I will keep on scrolling and it will keep on loading new and new articles and I can read them. So this is what this option means, infinite scroll. कहाँ गया भैया वापिस आ जा इधर either. Yeah, here it is. So here you can choose how you want it to be allowed more posts, load more as scroll down, load more using default theme behavior, load more using button. So this is like additional feature that is providing. Can I use Jetpack along with Swift performance? I am not sure about Swift performance right now. Okay, but as I am telling you, there is no need to use all of the features. Use the features that you want to use, rest you can keep them off. Okay, so you can see there are options to keep them off, so you can keep them off. But still, like a lot of times my like right now, like my hosting provider, which is SiteGround, have this feature of image optimizations and other optimizations. So I have been using their options, not the options using provided by WordPress, this Jetpack plugin. Okay, so here you can see it's providing you additional widgets as well. So there are widgets uh, for your sidebars. Let me just go to appearance and widgets, and here it will provide you additional options like here this authors is by Jetpack, here this blog status is by Jetpack, and this Flickr, Goodreads, Google Translate, Facebook page plugin. It will directly show you the Facebook page. Then Gravatar profile, Instagram also, and a lot of additional widgets are there. You can use them to wherever you want. You can use them in your website wherever you want. And additional thing that I want to tell you about is let's just wait for that. Okay, so here it is, guys. Isn't that this awesome till now? But this awesome is not yet over. Just let me know in the chat box if this is awesome. Okay, so there is this another option, post by email. You can turn this on, and then you can add a email here, whichever email you want to use, and then what you can do, you can directly send an email to this email, to this one, and your post will this Jetpack plugin will automatically post. So there is no need to go and do a lot of stuff, do things. Your website will be your article will be automatically published using just email. So just send an email to Jetpack, to this one, and it will automatically publish the post for you. Send your new post to this email address. So here you need to create a email address. Create address, you click create address. Here you can see it created this email address. Now just copy this one, and you have to send an email to this address, and it will automatically publish your post to this website just by sending an email. Okay, so I will just disable it. I am not using it, it's not handy for me. So there is this another option, just wait for it. I will let you know about later. Okay, so now I will just go to sharing, and how many of you share your articles after you publish them? Just let me know how many of you share your articles in your social media and stuff like that. You share your articles, right? And what if you there is no need to do that, because this will automatically do it for you. So you just have to click on this one. You have to turn this on, publicize connection, and you have to set up your social media. Okay, and then it will automatically publish, it will automatically share your articles wherever you have selected. So there is no need to go and share every time, and whenever someone whenever you post, it will automatically share your article in the social media. Okay, then sharing buttons. How many of you are using sharing buttons plugins? It's provide you that option as well. I know sometimes it doesn't look good with your theme, so that there are several cases, but still they are providing you the options right here. Okay, and I am using it in a lot of websites because they are good. Then this like button, so new people can like your articles. Okay, now discussion. So uh, how many of you have this how many of you have blogs in your website? We have blogs, then we want to leave comment, and here you can see this not good looking option, so people have to fill their details here to comment. But here, using this option in this Jetpack plugin, if you turn it on, they can comment using WordPress.com, Twitter account, Facebook account, Google account. So directly they can comment using the like using these accounts. Okay, and here they are also providing you this additional option to like customize dark, light, and stuff like that. They're providing you another comment plugin inside their own plugin. So that's also awesome. Enable pop-up business cards over commentator. So this is the additional option that you can turn on. Just not, I can't go that much in detail, otherwise the webinar will be never over. So there is a lot more in this. I cannot explain everything in one shot. Okay, now how many of you do email newsletters? How many of you send weekly newsletters, and you want to send you weekly newsletters? So here is the most awesome option, subscription option. So people can, you can turn this on, and here you can turn all these options on. Okay, now whenever someone comment, or whenever someone registers using some option that I can show you later, they whenever you publish a new post, they will automatically get the post in their email. So it's kind of email marketing tool inside it. Isn't that awesome? The like they will this plugin will automatically send them an email newsletter of your new posts. Let me know in the chat box if this was awesome. So here you can go and check. I will just go back. There is still something to reveal, so I'm not revealing it right now. Okay, so people can go and subscribe to your like website. You can add the subscription option to your website. Like no need of any MailChimp and stuff. If you just want to send them your new posts. Okay, so like I am using I have this personal blog where I share my writings. They are basically my poems, my articles, or some things like that. So here you can see this email address stuff. So here if I just want to send my new articles using email, the articles will be automatically sent. So this is an option that's added through this plugin, this Jetpack plugin. And if someone comments on my article, they like here, if they comment here as well, if they want to comment here, you need to like click on this one. I feel something needs to be done here. It's something is missing, but here if I want to post and comment, sorry, something is wrong here, so just sorry for that. But if someone comments, they can also choose to subscribe. Okay, they just have to provide the email, and they will get the monthly, or they will get the email whenever you post a new article. Okay, so that was another cool stuff. Now where it is, कहाँ गया भैया? Close कर दिया क्या? Yeah, I feel I have closed it, so I will just go and open it again. Settings. Sorry guys, I drink a lot of water. Okay, so this was all in discussion, and then traffic. So whenever you have a relate, just a second, let me show you where it is. So here, like this, no, it doesn't have that. No. Can anyone share? Can anyone share their website link in chat box? Just share your website link. I will open that. Okay. So I will both open both one of them. क्यों हो गया भैया? गड़बड़ कर दिए कुछ? Yeah, now it's here. So here is the website of Puneet. Okay, so this is a GDPR. Just ignore it right now. We'll just open the article and just let's load. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. So here, a lot of times we want to add related posts below it like this. So this is also I feel Puneet is using Jetpack plugin, so that's awesome. So these related posts are coming through this option. So here I will recommend Puneet to turn thumbnail option as well, so it looks more good. Highlight related content with the headline, so you can just use this one. So it will show related posts below your article. So like here Puneet is trying to show the related articles, just like thumbnail is missing. So this can also be done using the same plugin, related posts. So I feel there are like more than 20 features, 20 plugins inside this only one plugin. And there are these additional options that we cannot do in free account. Now site statistics. So here you can choose with whom to show the show the stats. Okay, statistics of your website. Then this additional option that whenever you share your website to someone else, it will generate a short link wp.me. ऐसा इसका नाम होगा. Okay, then site maps. So it will generate the site maps and also it will submit them in the respective account. So whatever stuff Yoast SEO do for us, it's also doing that for us. So it will submit you to Google, it will submit to Bing, Pinterest, Yandex. Basically Yandex is a search engine used in China. So if like Google बहुत सारे लोग यूज करते हैं, but if you want to go ahead and थोड़ा बहुत चाइना में प्रचार करना चाहते हैं तो you can use this one. Okay, and then Bing and Pinterest, so you can also use this one. Okay, so इतने सारे options देख के हर किसी का दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा. So a lot of options are there and that's why people are afraid of it on the same time. Okay, and that was all about it. Now there are some additional plugins like I told you about this Akismet plugin. If you install it, it will also be there in the Jetpack only. Okay, Akismet anti-spam, you can see. So basically this is also here, so you can set it up also, and let's discuss about it sometimes later. Okay, so basically just let me give you a brief that this plugin will automatically reduce spam. This will automatically automatically track any spam comments. Like whenever you create a blog, a lot of people will spam on your website, a lot of people will leave spam comments, so it will automatically take care of that. Yeah, this plugin is not actually free, but they have a free option as well. Okay, Discord comment section, it's not Discord, I feel it's Discuss, so that's also good, and I am using that in the website I just shown you, so nothing to worry about that. I, as I told, there is no need to always go ahead and use the all of the features, because चाहे आप इसमें से 10 प्लगइन भी हटा देते हो, even after you remove 10 of the features, it will still be there for you to do awesome stuff. Okay, so that was all guys about the plugin. Okay, then additional things I want to tell you. Okay, now let's just go ahead and this is a blog, this is a new WordPress installation where I have installed Jetpack, and I will show you additional stuff, and I will show you something when you are doing it for your client. Okay, and also for bloggers, for everyone. Okay, so here I will just go to Jetpack. I will have to log out my account from here so that I can create new one to show you. So here is this installation. So I will just go to Jetpack, and if you have closed the other pop-up, you can find it here. Okay, just click on setup, activate WordPress essential WordPress security and performance tools by setting up Jetpack. So कुछ ऐसा लिखा हुआ है. It may take some time. Yeah, so now it's transferring to WordPress. Okay, so here you can see it's taking you to WordPress.com or Google.com. So right now just go with Google.com. Now this is opened, and I will use this one. Just use this one this time. Okay, so so connecting your social accounts, it's just logging in, transferring you to, and authorizing connection. So it's a little bit slow process right now, but just wait. Okay. It's doing a lot of things in background, it's not just showing you or showing you a loading screen. So here now, wow, what's here? You can see you are going to WordPress.com. So basically, as I told you previously, that this is a plugin created by the founder of WordPress.com, right? As I told you here. So the creator of WordPress CMS and founder of WordPress.com. So this is a plugin created by these people, the founder of the WordPress.com. So they are, उनका purpose क्या है? What's their purpose? To help new bloggers or non-techie bloggers to provide them easy solutions for blogging, easy solution for blogging. So here you can see here they are providing you, they are trying to sell you something. So they are trying to sell security, they are trying to sell backups and stuff like that. So what you have to do, if you don't want to spend, you just go to the bottom and click Jetpack free. Start with free. So that's all what you have to do, and that's all you have to do to set it up. One click. Now if you want to purchase, they will just try to promote a little bit about it, but still there is no need to pay. Anywhere they want to pay, just ignore that feature completely. So now here they just have these options to walk you through to the options, because they already know that people are ignoring their plugin because of the complexity, because of a lot of features. So they just added this here so that they can like help you to do things properly. So here now what's happening here is that due to this Jetpack plugin, WordPress.com is connected with your website. Okay, so now your WordPress installation is also connected with WordPress.com, and there is this cool thing. If you go to WordPress.com, now you can manage your complete blog through WordPress.com. So जैसे हम free account use करते हैं, the way we use free account of WordPress.com, we can use the same now. So यहाँ से अब आप you can manage your complete website from here, and this is lot more user friendly, lot more easy dashboard to manage WordPress. So this is another cool feature. Jetpack just changed the way you use WordPress. They created a new dashboard for you. They provided you new dashboard, easy dashboard for you. I will just create and add new post, and a lot more is coming, guys. Now the next things will blow your mind even more. So here you can see they are providing you these options to like write an article and everything that you have in the other. Okay, so here all these options you can see, they are providing you statistics about your website, weekly, monthly, years, how many of people are following you, then a lot of other options, countries, clicks, authors, everything. Then plans, obviously they want to sell, everyone have something to sell. Then site, you can manage pages from here, you can manage posts, you can manage media, comments. Then Jetpack, they also have these options, additional options that you need to upgrade for if you want for it. And here it's also telling you all the activity, everything that you are doing to your website, it's keeping a track of it, and you can know what you have done recently. Okay, isn't that awesome? They are telling you everything that you are doing. If something is wrong, you can show this to them, this to the developer, this to the persons, that this is what I have done. Then backup, this is a paid feature, I guess. Also this is a paid feature, get daily scanning, and this is paid feature. So these are paid feature. Then Jetpack, so here the customize option is also there, you can customize. Okay, I just go back. I will just go back. Yeah, so we were here, themes, you can change themes through here, you can add plugins, you can do import export, you can do marketing. So everything they got you covered. Okay, I feel this have some paid option, this is a paid option, I feel. No, it's taking you to this option. So yeah, marketing, you have this thing, and you can also earn, you can find an expert, yeah, start sharing, everything is here. Earning is here, not so much. Okay, ज़्यादा इसके बारे में अभी देखिए मत, there is lot more here, it will confuse you, just go one by one. I am not also explaining everything because अभी तो मेरा सर भी दुख रहा है इतना सारा बोलकर. Okay, so here about team, people who are working on your website, then your followers, who are your followers. Yeah, then email followers, you can invite people and you can send them invite. So here there are settings additionally, and here you can change everything. So WordPress से छुटकारा मिल गया आपको. The not so good dashboard of WordPress is now a new dashboard completely, and it's allowing you to do a lot of things. Okay, sometimes what happen is that like your website is not properly synchronized with with your actual website. So then you just have to like do something here, so not to go deep. Okay, so that was all, guys, right here. But still a lot more to come. As I told, this plugin is so awesome, but still lot of people are just ignoring it. Now, how many of you are going to ignore it? How many of people are ready to ignore it now? And how many of you want to use it right now? मेरे को कोई पैसे नहीं दे रहे हो. I'm just trying to show you that this is something people are ignoring. This. Yeah, I will do it. Now, lot more is coming as I told you. Okay. So now I will just log out it. Log it out. What? How many? Okay. So in the chat box, I want you to type a number. How many websites you have right now? How many WordPress websites you have right now? Just type in the chat box. 2, 5. I see 3. Fast, fast. I want everyone to type how many WordPress websites you have for yourself, for your clients, or whoever. आज तक कितनी websites you are managing? Wow. Okay, so a lot of you have one, but a lot of you also have multiple websites. So what I tell you that there is no need to log in into so many websites. You can manage everything using one. You can do everything using only one from this one place. Isn't that awesome? एक ही जगह से you can check everything about all of your website. Will that be awesome? एक जगह से पूरा full complete control. रुको रे, लॉगिन हो रहा है. So I have added few websites of mine to show you, okay, so that I can show you how it works. So here I just added one website, right? You can add as many as websites here, and here you can see few websites are here, and you can see there are these this circle, something like that, circle arrows. This is showing that there is something to be done here. There is a plugin update available, so just click on that and they will take you to whatever you need to do. So here you just have to click update. Also like it's letting you know at one place about all the details about your websites, that yeah, this website needs a update. Oh bap re bap, this website can't be accessed, I would like to fix it. So if site is not working, it's also telling me then about updates and stuff like that. So if I will go directly to this one, and even if I am not able to understand this, I can go and update stuff. So I will just go to site. No, I'll just go to tools. I feel, yeah, tools. So here I will go to plugins. I can here update plugins from here. So just go to manage plugins and then update. So there is this automatic updates option as well. Okay, and just update it from here. No need to reload, no need to do anything, just update. It will update like this. Go back, do another update. So isn't it cool, or super cool, or super duper cool? Just let me know in the chat box. And I am still saying it's still not over. It's still not over. Okay, so I still have a lot of things to say. अब तो मेरा भी पूरा हो गया है. Okay, so here you can manage as many sites as you can at one dashboard. पानी पी लेता हूँ, सच्ची बात बोल रहा. Okay, so I feel that was awesome, and there is still more to be awesome. How many of you use your phone a lot, or you have another device, Android device or something, or Apple device? I can post stuff from my phone using this plugin, because of this plugin. Isn't that cool? I can use my phone to use WordPress, to manage WordPress, and I do that a lot. using WordPress app. Yeah, so that WordPress app gets connected to this plugin. Like जो WordPress app है ना Play Store पे and Apple Store पे भी होगा. The app will be there in Apple Store as well as in Play Store. Okay, so you can manage. I don't think my phone will be visible. So here is my broken phone, and here you can see I can do everything from my phone using this app, WordPress app. You can go ahead, search for the app in Play Store, and then you need to log in your WordPress.com account, and you will be using WordPress. You will be managing your WordPress website right from your phone, right from the phone application. And there are a lot more features in the phone. You can like even if you are not using internet, अगर आपके पास internet नहीं है, like आधी रात को मुझे कोई ख्याल आ जाता है because I write poems and stuff. आधी रात को कभी कुछ आ जाता है मन में. No need to turn on internet. You just write out the poem, write out the stuff, and save it as a draft. It will be saved in your phone. As soon as you get the internet, it will be uploaded to a online draft. So net nahi bhi hoga, then also you can save the posts. You can do the posts. Okay, as soon as you get the अरे poems लिखता ना मैं उसमें दूसरे साइड पर. Okay, so now another thing. How many of you have done e-commerce stuff? How many of you have done e-commerce websites? In the chat box, please. In the chat box, please. So I feel एक हाथ ने तो की होगी. And how many of you will be creating an e-commerce website? I feel most of you, right? So here whenever you will get a new order, you will get notification because of this WordPress app, and there is a WooCommerce app as well. So now, sorry for it, I will just go again and share my screen, and I will just open WordPress app, and I will search for WooCommerce app. So here Play Store and Apple Play Store both will have these apps, and also WooCommerce app. So you can give this WooCommerce app to your client that you like जो भी orders होंगे, they will automatically be getting the notification. They will be automatically getting the order details, all the details in their phone. Okay, so आप अपने जो भी customer है उसको भी you can send, you can like connect this app, WooCommerce app. That also be done through this Jetpack plugin, right? Here you can see there is more and more details. You can go ahead and do things. You can add products. So अपने जो customer को है, आप you can give them this app. You can let them manage their store right through app. So ये एक तरह से backend होगा उनके लिए. So उनको WordPress का access देने के बजाय, if you give this, it's more than enough for them. This WooCommerce app, it will help them manage their shop, and also they will be able to see the reviews. They will be able to like see the manage the product, manage their inventory. They can order, they can manage the orders, they can mark them completed, mark them processed, and issue refund. They can like do a lot of things here, track all the stuff. Now was that awesome as well? Just let me know in the chat box if this is also awesome. अभी कौन new use करेगा इसको? Who is not going to use this plugin? Okay, so I feel that was all. Now there is still a lot to discover. अभी साइंटिस्ट खोज कर रहे हैं कि और क्या फीचर है इस पे. Okay, so जैसे ही पता लगता है I will tell you about that. Okay, so that was all. Thanks for joining. And one more thing I want to say, that there are some other plugins as well. like Google AMP plugin, which gets connected to this one, and that like additional plugin होते हैं. AMP क्या होता है plugin that help you to optimize your website for speed, so that also gets connected to this one, and stuff like that. Just let me see if that option is removed now. I feel that option is removed now. Previously there was an option for a mobile theme, so yeah, I will be sharing the recording. Let me just see if there is this option right now. Yeah, I feel that they have removed the option now. Otherwise, previously they had an option to like uh, for an additional theme for mobile theme. So जब भी कोई mobile पे if someone visits your website, they will be able to see a simpler version of your website, and that option now I feel is removed from here. So guys, that was all, and I feel now the WordPress will be a lot more easy, lot more different, and there things will be more better for you. Okay. So मैंने सेटअप करके दिखा दिया ना मैंने. I feel कहीं कुछ मिस तो नहीं कर दिया. Any promise that I missed? Please let me know in the chat box if something I missed. Just let me know in the chat box if there is something that I missed, which I was talking about earlier. I feel I told about all of the stuff. Anything, any questions, anything else that you want to ask? I will just wait for 2 more minutes, and then we will wind it off. पहली बार पूरे टाइम पे कंप्लीट हुआ वैसे. अदरवाइज कई बार तो ज्यादा टाइम लग जाता है. Yeah, so these were all options, sharing buttons. So I want you to check it out. You want I can only give you overview because मैंने बताया है it's very in-depth plugin, and there are a lot of things which will take a lot more time. Okay, it's not theme, Priyanka, it's plugin. Okay. Now I will just go ahead, and here I have a Facebook group. What are the disadvantages of it? Yeah, there are few disadvantages if you turn on all of the options, or if you have very poor hosting. In that case, there can be some issues. There can be like your site may be slow in that cases. So in that case, please do not use it. If your hosting is very cheap, like Hostinger is not very good hosting, so in that case maybe it will do something, but I feel most of the time there is no issue at all. बहुत ही ज्यादा सस्ती hosting ले ली होगी, then maybe it can be issue. So here guys, I have a Facebook group. You can join this group. Here there are a group of digital marketers. There are people from batch 2 of Digital Deepak internship, and I also was in batch 2. So we are all trying to share our digital marketing knowledge there. So you can join, and also if you have joined, please share your feedback. Leave it, रहने दो. Or leave it right now and just leave it. If I can just do it. Do you want to leave a feedback? I am asking you. If you want to leave, I will share the link right now. So just let me create one then. I will stop the recording, and thanks for whoever is watching it after the webinar. And if you want to attend more webinars, you can subscribe to my channel, or you can check the links for more details in description. Thanks.